Just if it's going this way, that should be the one right there. Because this is Intel 115. And then.
So it does not have the standoff like that in between?
Which one?
This one?
It does.
Yeah.
There, those thread onto that.
Yeah, but I need something to hold this.
Those should hold it, yeah.
Not like this. Yours doesn't have a fan?
Which one?
Like a heatsink?
Where? What do you mean?
Your processor.
Yeah, it's water cooling, yeah.
No, the fan.
What do you mean?
The fan, the one that stock heatsink.
Yeah, I don't have that.
Why?
These Intel CPUs don't come with coolers anymore. They expect you to buy your own. Because this enthusiast grade.
This is like expensive
So
CPU.
I think they expect that if you're buying something this expensive,
well, that's the wrong
you're
expectation.
probably going to get something that has better cooling capacity than their stock Intel.
That's the wrong.
Plus, the TDP of that is so high that they would need to include like a $50 cooler.
CPU fan. There you go.
That's RGB, no? That's
What
an
is
RGB.
wrong?
That's RGB. Look at the other connector. This
Where?
That on the other end. Here, on this wire. That is RGB. That
Yeah.
goes there. But
Not this one?
I don't know
This is
what
the CPU fan.
No, yeah, but that's an RGB. I don't know. I'll need to figure out what that cable is.
This is so wrong.
So this is how the wiring goes. So this wire that you were holding,
Yeah.
this one right here, that's that one. That's purely just for the RGB. So if you want to control the RGB through the motherboard,
No. I don't want any RGB.
you don't want any lights?
No. That just consumes power. Like,
You don't even
I
need to
need
put this
this.
cable in then.
Huh?
You don't even need to put that cable in then. That's... Yeah.
This is for the CPU fan?
No, this one is for RGB
So
specifically.
where's the CPU fan? This
So,
one.
this
This is a
one-
4-pin. I need this.
Yeah, this is how it goes. So this one wire coming out goes into there. That's probably the pump speed, and then this one plugs into there. That's the actual fan, and then that
No,
other
this one. I need this one. This
that comes out of the fan, comes from the fan.
comes from the fan.
Yeah.
How about the water pump? What's going to drive the water
The water
pump?
pump is that wire right there. That little wire coming out of the. That's the water pump. So there should be a pump here. Pump fan 1. That's where that's gonna go.
That's
where
such
pump fan. This one. This is the pump. So that's gonna go there. And this one's gonna plug into the fan.
This is such a convoluted. This is the one. I need to put something there. So I need to put. So you just need. Okay, let me mount this first. Huh?
Which one?
The board there.
Yeah.
I need this. CPU power.
Why do you need to put these cables in right now?
Because it's hard there. Because it's not a Liandi case, it's what I'm saying.
Well, it should be.
The Liandi has removable tray.
This shouldn't be that
I built it underneath and then I slide it in. I don't need to bolt it like that.
There's actually quite a bit of space.
No,
Look here, look. There's like a lot of clearance right there. You don't need to put this in yet.
I need to put this in.
Oh.
Put it back there.
I don't know if you need to plug in. I don't think you need to plug in the 4-pin one.
Why?
Because that's just for if you're trying to do more overclocks. But I need to read the manual. So I don't think I have mine plugged in.
Well, I want mine plugged in.
The thing is, this VRMs,
Yeah.
those aren't even enough to push that 9900K, I don't think. Reliably.
Reliably. CPU. So I have two CPUs.
It doesn't say anything specifically saying don't plug it in.
Yeah, but I don't plug it
So
in.
yeah.
Is that 4-pin?
Yeah.
I don't even have 4 pins here. This is. I don't have 4 pins here. You had me buy a CPU. Hmm? That does not have enough.
That's probably why I didn't plug mine in, because I don't have that.
No, I have one here. It's a CPU. This is such a waste of plug. Thor.
Yeah, I looked it up. It says that 4-pin is just for higher overclocks.
No, I can't screw this anymore. What's the problem with this one? I don't bite anything. And I need the one. Oh! Now that went into my cooler. Wow. Where is it though? There. There's more here. Where's the other one? Yeah. Not tightening it yet. Oh, it's crooked. Don't tighten it yet. I can't reach it. Oh. Where the other screws? From there. Hmm?
Self-distance and be very careful. President Bush was right when he most recently said, a pandemic doesn't know Republican or Democrat. It's there for everybody. This is not a war against anyone. This is a battle against a disease that is all consuming. And we've got to be all in it together. So don't divide, bring it together. We can get through this, but we have to do it together. And I wish the president, the current president, would offer that invitation to us so that we can.
No more.
This is our battle. We're all.
This one here. Yeah.
Where's this here from?
We have a lot here. Don't worry about it. Well, don't remove that. Don't touch that.
It just was.
It doesn't matter. I want it there.
Many are planning to bring students and faculty back to campus for classes, but not all schools believe it is wise for students to return, and some may include a mix of online learning. The California State University System, the largest four-year public university in the country, announced it plans to offer primarily online remote classes this fall.
Okay, let's eat first.